Natural weight loss hacks. Losing weight can be quite a daunting task, especially if you are not ready to make any major changes in your lifestyle. Well, the good news is that there are a few simple things that you can do or use that will make losing weight much easier. These are 10 natural weight loss hacks that really work. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an excellent drink for those who are trying to lose weight. It has been proven to increase the feeling of fullness, which leads to reduced calorie intake and hence fat loss. You can start your day with apple cider vinegar by drinking it in the morning. You can mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach, or you can use it in your salad dressings. You may also consume it after lunch or dinner. The most important thing is to ensure that you are getting enough protein in your diet, which will help to maximize the benefits of apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Number 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is high in saturated fat, which has been demonized in the past. However, recent studies have shown that consuming the right type of saturated fat can actually promote weight loss. Monolaurin, a compound found in coconut oil, has been shown to reduce fat mass and waist circumference in overweight women. You can use coconut oil for cooking, or you can simply take a spoonful of it and eat it. 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a type of superfood that is high in fiber and protein, which makes them very filling. They also contain healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, which makes them a great addition to any weight loss diet. Chia seeds are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Consuming chia seeds regularly can help you feel full for longer and reduce your overall calorie intake. This can lead to weight loss over time. Number 4. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for weight loss. They are high in fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied after meals, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Fennel seeds also contain compounds that can help boost your metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. You can consume fennel seeds in various ways, such as making fennel tea, adding fennel powder to your meals, or chewing on fennel seeds after a meal. 5. Green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage that is often used as a weight loss aid. It contains catechins, which are compounds that can help boost your metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. Studies have shown that consuming green tea can help reduce body fat, waist circumference, and overall weight. You can drink green tea hot or cold, and it is best to consume it in moderation. Number 6. Ginger. Ginger is a root vegetable that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. It contains bioactive compounds that can help boost your metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which may contribute to weight loss. You can consume ginger in various ways, such as drinking ginger tea, adding ginger juice to your meals, or simply chewing on fresh ginger. Number 7. Lemon. Lemons are highly astringent, which means they will help your body detoxify toxins by extracting them out of your fat cells and hence burn the fat cells themselves. You can start your day with lemon water to help boost your metabolism and aid in weight loss. You can also use lemon juice in your salad dressings or as a marinade for chicken or fish. Number 8. Protein bars. Protein bars are a convenient snack that can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. They are also a good option for those who are following a low-carbohydrate diet, such as the ketogenic diet. Just make sure to choose a protein bar that is high in protein and low in carbohydrates and sugar. Number 9. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help improve gut health. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to various health benefits, including weight loss. Probiotics can help you lose weight by reducing inflammation in the body, improving digestion, and helping you feel full for longer. You can consume probiotics through fermented foods such as yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut, or you can take probiotic supplements. Number 10. Water. Staying hydrated is essential for weight loss. Water can help you feel full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. It also helps to flush toxins from the body, which can improve your overall health and well-being. You should aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day. You may also consume herbal teas or fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as watermelon and cucumber. While these natural weight loss hacks can be effective, it is important to remember that they should be used in conjunction with a healthy diet and regular exercise. If you have any underlying health conditions, please consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. And that's all for today. See you next time.